Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So working on home runs again today. Surprise, surprise. So finished this first room here by myself this morning. Nick was doing stuff for the first couple hours or 2 or 3 hours in the morning. So went ahead and finished the home runs. Just putting those home runs in the C-clips across the beam, feeding them down the studs where they belong, and then punching some holes, I believe, and then putting those wires down the holes that I punched. And then here they are laying on the ground over there, leaving a little bit of extra wire in case they need to be moved or anything like that. And then moving on from there, going on to the next room, back into the studio. Actually, I think these are the 1 bedrooms. But there's been a few different types of styles of rooms that we've been doing: 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and then studios, I think. So this room's a little bit different. Coworker ran the C-clips across the beams, so I just stuck the home runs over a spreader bar back down the wall. So Nick finished this up because he skipped lunch, and so I gave him some things to do while I was eating, and so he ran this wire down the wall and then punched some holes and got that down the back side ready to go. And then at the end of the day, in the 3rd room, got some more home runs started. This room's a little bit different. It's a 2-bedroom. I think the first 2-bedroom that we've run into, and mostly all the home runs are going down to the kitchen, so this is nice and short because the panel is on the same wall as the kitchen. And then there's a few bedrooms behind me which I didn't get to record, but you'll be seeing those on Monday. And then I ran the living room home run circuit into this first plug box, and then the water heater in the same closet, or the back side of the closet, just down through the stud with about 5 feet extra, and then back down to the floor. And then on Monday I might be repulling this wire which goes to the elevator, which is in a block wall in a pipe. Someone core drilled right through it, so that obviously needs to get repulled because it's damaged and exposed wire. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. It helped me out a lot. I make these videos because I enjoy it, because I like helping you guys out, but if you could drop a like, it would mean a lot to me and help the channel out, and saying thank you would be nice. That's all I ask. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos back on Monday, and maybe some videos over the weekend on my house. Might stop there later, I'm not sure. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day and an awesome weekend. Peace out.